This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in fundamentals so every later action pays off. Start with keyword clusters. Pick 3-5 terms per page that include long-tail variations. This guides content and intent. Then verify your site in Google Search Console and connect analytics so you can measure results. Make sure your site runs on HTTPS, uses fast hosting, and is mobile first. Once done, you'll have a measurable baseline and the technical foundation that prevents wasted optimization work later. You now execute content and on-page tactics that tell search engines why your pages matter. Write clear titles and meta descriptions with the primary keyword early. Use a single H1 and logical H2s to reflect user intent. Produce in-depth content, typically 800 to 2,000 plus words when needed, organized with headings and bullet lists for scannability. Add internal links to related pages and implement schema markup for rich results. Compress and serve images. You finish by amplifying visibility and keeping performance healthy. Pursue contextual backlinks through outreach, guest posts, and partnerships that drive referral traffic and authority. Monitor rankings, CTR, organic traffic, and core web vitals with weekly checks so you spot drops fast. If something breaks, run a focused audit. Check Search Console for crawl errors or manual actions, identify thin or duplicate content, and fix redirects or canonical tags. That troubleshooting step often restores lost traffic faster than new tactics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.